Did you know that millions and millions of people have been searching for all type of quotes on a monthly basis? Did you know that images tend to get 128% more retweets than videos? Quotes tend to get 847% more retweets than questions, and users who tweeted quotes had 43% more followers? Did you know that photos on Facebook generate 54% more likes and 104% more comments than regular posts? Did you know that @FounderMag was able to generate up to 111,000 Instagram followers in just 5 months, all by using image quotes? All this sounds like image quotes should be the right path for building a strong and money-making brand online in record time, right? Then why do people keep failing when trying to use them? That's a hard fact. Yes, guys, it's a fact that businesses and marketers still fail when trying to build a strong and money-making brand online, even with image quotes. And yes, we know why. The problem with image quotes nowadays simply relies on businesses and marketers having no clue on how to use them right. People are just doing things wrong. They just don't have a clue on how to properly apply brand building and money marketing strategies with image quotes, and that's why they keep failing each and every time. But you just want to be part of that group of people who are doing things right. So let's get you straight to that solution you are here for. The solution is simple. Very simple, actually. The solution with succeeding with image quotes today and beyond simply relies on executing a proven action plan. Yes, guys, the answer to succeed with image quotes nowadays is all about taking the right training from the right people at the right time and applying it the right way. But we are not talking about a 30-day challenge program or a 7-day workshop or a 24-hour boot camp. We are not even talking about a 10-hour-long video course either. We are talking about a short-to-the-point action plan. And the solution is here in this page right below. Introducing Social Branding Blueprint. Proven action plan ready to take you by the hand and show you how to plan, create, and post brand building and profit generating image quotes and infographics. 100% newbie friendly. Anyone can do this. Step 1, buy Social Branding Blueprint right below this video at the only for today special discount. Step 2, access our proven to work image quote formula. Step 3, apply our step-by-step, straight-to-the-point action plan, and bang! You get lots of likes, comments, shares, and a strong and profit-generating brand for today and for many years to come. But who are we? Hey guys, Chad and Mike over here. And yes, we've been down the same road. We have spent quite a good amount of money buying ebook after ebook. We have increased our wasted money by upgrading to video courses. And we have even gone above and beyond with our wallet by accessing several fancy applications. Unfortunately, with the exact same terrible results. But these days, things have gotten much better. We finally turned image quotes into our golden eggs goose, using them to build a strong and profitable brand over the web. Let us show you how we turn things up on the right track, and how you can do so as well in so little time that you will be impressed. What's Social Branding Blueprint? Social Branding Blueprint consists of a tested and proven brand building solution you can apply and see positive results in just minutes of executing the action plan. It is a simple step-by-step program which will grab you by the hand and show you how to build a strong and profitable brand with image quotes. You will learn things like how to connect the dots between what you're selling and who you're trying to reach, the 6 types of quote images you can add into your content starting today, a list of easy-to-use tools for creating image quotes, the exact way you can reach out to the maximum number of clients and businesses at once, one of the most popular ways to take full advantage of a brand's growth potential, the right systematic examination needed to expand a particular brand, the most important thing when popularizing a product or brand, and how to do it step by step, how to brand a business on each social media platform the right way, the step-by-step action plan businesses of all shapes and sizes should follow to build up their brand over the web. This has nothing to do with the actual painful marketing solutions you are used to. This is your chance to solve all of your likes, comments, and shares problems once and for all. How can you join? You can access Social Branding Blueprint now for a one-time fee. That's correct. A one-time payment, no monthly fees whatsoever. So for the price of any other time and money waster ebook, video course, or fancy software application you could probably buy today, you can put an end to consistently failing with image quotes for applying the wrong strategies. A detailed, step-by-step, and legitimate action plan is what you need to achieve positive results quickly after applying a few simple but proven strategies. But don't delay. Social Branding Blueprint will only be available at today's price for a limited time. After that, the price will go up. Take action now. Click the button below and get instant access. See you on the other side.